Went riding out one dark and windy day. Upon a hill he rested as he went along his way. When all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw, plowing through that ragged sky and up a cloudy draw. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-oh. Still on fire and their hooves were made of steel. Their horns were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear entering them as they thundered through the sky. He saw them riding coming hard. He heard their mournful cry. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-oh. Sky. Their faces gone, their eyes over, their shirts also full of sweat. Riding hard to catch that herd, but they ain't caught 'em yet. They're due to ride forever on that range up in the sky. On horses snorting.
A certain amount of wiggle is normal. If you push up here, and you can push up, you can feel a distinct movement here. That main bearing is shot and it may not spin, so it may start to spin and then sense it's out of balance and then won't spin anymore. If you got slop up here, if you can push up and you can feel, it's kind of like a wheel bearing. This one's got very little slop, but if you can push up and you feel a distinct kind of like wiggle, slop. A certain amount is normal. This is all normal, this thing here, but up and down is not normal. And so your machine may not spin out.